Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is ghosting. Why people do ghosting? Well, this ghosting word has been more popular from the 20 after 2015, from that year, because now it's an era of social media where people are more engaged on social media. They are busy, they're socializing, chatting with friends, and as we come up with the time, we find lots of traffic in the social sites, various social sites. So people do connect with lots of people, known, unknown, everything. So this ghosting term has come, like many people, they date in their social dating sites, and what happens is they maintain a relationship for years through their chatting, their dating, offline, online, everything. So what happens suddenly, it's found that some people, what they do is they just stop the connection and just become visible, or block the person with whom they have contact, or maybe block all the persons. So this is a kind of ghosting. This is ghosting, what is called, that the person becomes disappear, that person goes away and he's no more visible. So people who were connected to these people through social media, they feel that this person is just vanished, like it's ghosting. They have become ghost, they have just vanished away. So why this happens, why these people stop the connection, or why these people vanish? It could have lots of reason. Maybe the people was, maybe that person was running some cheat business, and maybe so they have cheated some persons, or maybe they don't want any connection with the persons they are having relationships with. So this sudden being disappeared, this is through that they are trying to ignore that person, and they are not trying to have any contact with the person. So in this way they would try to avoid and seek themselves from the world, or maybe some particular persons. So this is what ghosting is. And why these people do this ghosting? Because of lots of reason. Because there we can find in relationships, in business purpose, many things. If many people, mostly in the relationships, we find that people cheat each other, or maybe a single person is cheating 2 3 people and is doing this kind of ghosting. They are disappearing from that social media, and or maybe from particular, they're blocking those contacts or profiles. So this is something has happened. So one has to be aware of this ghosting, and one has to understand that social media life is not something that we imagine. It's something we it's an illusion that we imagine. The person that is sitting on the other side is going to be a prince charm, or maybe he is from a very royal family. We generally don't know what the reality is. So when we are not able to see things, it's that our mind, our brain creates illusions and imaginations from where you will find the things are blurred. There the imagination creates more often. So this is something that these persons are making people lots of fool, lots of kind of cheaters. You will find those cheaters are more interested in cheating people through that ghosting and through that social media. This platform has become a very easy way. Now you can call people, you can see people, camera is attached, you can send your voices, which was not very much popular in like 2012-13, when I also used to use Facebook to connect to my friends, to get connected to my relatives who are far away, or some friends with whom we have detached connection so far, for reasons they have shifted to other places. So I have found many people are there. They would just ping you, and they would try to talk to you. So you have to be aware of what is real and what is not. And suddenly these persons may commit to you anything and may get vanished, and you won't be able to find these persons, because they don't give you the proper locations, or they don't tell every truth about their own life. So you never know what is happening on the other side, or who that person is exactly. Or maybe it's someone doing well with the camera, with this camera system, and as it has become very much flexible, so things have become very easy to see people, which was not easy in 2012. So lots of people used to get cheated in the relationships, or maybe they have started dating with a person and they later on find that the person is cheater, or maybe that person is cheating those persons with money or something else, or emotional cheaters. Anything could happen. So lots of pornography also happened. Lots of people are asking for your porn photos, etc. So these were not good, and one has to be aware that these are not the right thing to. So it's important to understand that this ghosting is a part of social media, so one has to be very much careful about making relationships and dating with people through social media. And one has to be very much careful with their own values, that they should not cross a line and never get stuck into wrong things. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you, and you have got a clear idea about what ghosting is. So ghosting is mainly done because people are cheaters and they want to cheat, and in some cases people are decent, they don't want to break the relationships or friendship, they don't want to end it in a bad note, so they try to avoid that relationship. This also happens. So here I have told you about what ghosting is and how I have also seen this. So thank you friends, hope this was helpful to you, and definitely would come up with some new video. Thank you.